Hey beautiful, you are welcome back again to my channel. I believe you all are doing very fine. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I came up with these Ankara fashion earrings, and I believe you love what you're seeing on your screen. I actually made these earrings for my outfit, or my birthday outfit rather. If this sounds like what you love, kindly watch it to the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button when you are done watching. Please turn on your post notification bell as well. To my new subscribers, you are most welcome, and to my returnees, I appreciate you. Without wasting much time, let's dive into today's video. Here are the materials needed for this tutorial. The first thing I'll be doing is to take a round measurement of my hoop. I'm doing this because we have different sizes of hoops. So I just started from the beginning and I took it to the end and it gave me 7 inches. I'll be folding my fabric into two on the wrong side and I'll be taking a measurement of about 2 inches by 14 inches. The 14 inches is just the double measurement of the hoop. In summary, it's just 2 inches by 14 inches. You can actually make yours longer than this depending on how full you want the gathers to be. Just the way you can also make it shorter, like 2 inches by 10 inches, it will work very fine. At this point, it just depends on individual's preference. Some people like it bogus, some people like it simple. You can even reduce the width of yours to about 1 inch or 1.5 inches. It will still come out very fine. So when I was done cutting out, I just marked about half an inch like that, and I'll be sewing along that line from the beginning to the end. This is what it should look like after stitching, but if you don't have a sewing machine, you can also use your hand needle and thread or use your fabric glue. The next thing I did was to apply my fabric glue on the hoop. I then went ahead to trim the edge of the piece with my zigzag scissors. The essence of this is to prevent the fabric from fraying and to also add extra beauty. But in case you don't have your zigzag scissors, you can go ahead to do your earrings like that. Then when you are done, you can just apply heat to the edge of your fabric. It will still come out fine. So when I was done doing that, I just passed the hoop through the channel. And you can see me adjusting it so I can get the gathers. Then I held it down with the glue on both ends. When I was not doing that, I discovered it was looking a bit bogus. Yeah. Some people may love it this way, but I ended up reducing mine. It's actually optional. You can even make it smaller than this, depending on what you want. Okay. We're almost done. Can you see how simple this is? Okay. So I just set it aside to get dried and I went ahead to do for the other hoop. Here is how this beauty looks. Can you see how beautiful they are looking? I then went ahead to bond the edges just to make it look even neater, okay? Now, this was so easy to make. Can you see how beautiful this earring looks? And check out the other one. Can you see how this looks as well? Very beautiful. I'll also encourage you to make one for yourself and share your experience in the comment section. If you haven't liked this video yet, what are you waiting for? This is another beautiful way to slay in your Ankara outfit. If this video has been helpful, kindly comment, share and like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you keep seeing my videos. Stay tuned for my next tutorial. See you all and bye.